Oh, Kokorioko. Country people, it don't happen again. The Igbo Cultural Society Austria, they don't come with one African event where they call New Yam Festival. This time that to mark its 20th year anniversary, country people, make you come see how our cultural heritage follow us the waka, come see our lineup event wey include pre-New Yam Festival, the popular Anambra Theatre Group, the Oriental Cultural Dance Group all the way from Grat in Steiermark, the Igbo Women Vienna Dance Group. Country people, you know, end there, we can't get special Kulano presentation, the Masquerade, aka Mamu, many other activities, Boku, countryman, Oga de Pakwa. This now where African culture conjunct with Western culture. Date on the 20th of August 2016. Time be 8 o'clock till Okokoroko. The place be at Hans Palace, Baudis Gasse, number 5 to 7 in 11th District in Vienna. This now one mega event you can't afford to miss. We're looking forward to see you.
Country people, you know, end that place. Inside this, their Obenga New Yam Festival, then get what they call Tombola tickets. If you buy Tombola tickets, country people, you will win a free ticket to Lagos, Nigeria. Free ticket to Lagos, Nigeria, country people, where you don't hear this kind of thing. You see, if they never finish, then get a shuttle bus. Where go they carry people from 8 o'clock at the end station of Simmering, U3. If you come at that place from 20 o'clock, every 15-minute shuttle bus they there. You know, end there. Our one and only DJ Jakarta, where go there on the turns, ready to dish the musical vibe to welcome you. Country people, go get your ticket right now.